Welcome to the class of Sanskrit, and today we are going to see chapter number 18. Full chapter today we are going to see. So then after we will have two more chapters 19 and 20, and you have to be ready for even for this coming exam for the second terminal exam. For that also syllabus is sent to you. So now be ready for the exams and the lessons which you are going to get regularly. You have to note down in your book. Today, this is chapter number 18. Bilasya Vani na kadapi me shruta. It's a nice story, wonderful short story, and which teaches that a person should have to be ready, think properly, so that he can save himself from the coming calamities. Okay? Bilasya Vani na kadapi me shruta. Bila means a cave, Sya means of cave, Vani means speech. Na means not. Kadapi, here never in the sense of we will say, we will take na kadapi means we will take never. May means by me. Shruta means heard or listen. So the translation will be, never have I heard the speech of a cave. Never have I heard a speech of a cave. Nice story, and let us first see the introduction. The following story has been taken from the collection of the story called Panchatantra. You have to keep in the mind this story is taken from Panchatantra, which is a unique work in Sanskrit literature and is known all over the world. The creator of Panchatantra is Vishnu Sharma. Make underline, the creator or the writer of the Panchatantra is Vishnu Sharma. He wrote this work in order to make the son of King Amar Shakti excel in statecraft within a period of 6 months. Here the name of king given Amar Shakti. And Vishnu Sharma wrote this book to give them knowledge through the stories and make them excel in the statecraft within the period of 6 months. In this, Mitrabhed, Mitra Prapti, Kokolukiyam, Labdha Pranasa and Aparikshita Karakam. These are the name of the sections. Mitrabhed, Mitra Prapti, Kokolukiyam, Kakolukiyam, Labdha Pranasam and Aparikshita Karakam are 5 sections that have been dealt with, and hence the book is called Panchatantra. Now about story. At the beginning of each section, there is the setting of the one story, and then many other stories follows as part of that. In this work, just like Arabian Nights of stories are there, no? First one story is then started, and then in order of that, there many other stories are following. Okay? In this work, we see the collection of unique fables. Now again get the meaning of the word fables. Fables means such a kind of story which have the character as a animal or bird behaving like humans, and it gives out a moral. Such a type of stories are called fables, in which characters are animals or birds behave like human beings, which have been imaginatively written in a combination of prose and poetry. In each story, special importance has been paid to seeing how the intelligence of an individual can be increased. In each story, the theme is taken ahead by presenting idea both in favor of and against the particular one. Because of this unusual style of narrative, the reader gets precious advice in addition to enjoyment. While studying this lesson, in addition to learning how to sense future danger and how it can be overcome, we shall also learn the proper use of indeclibles. Indeclibles means the words which we use for certain types of exclamation. Okay. Now here I am going to read the first paragraph from Kasmachit Vane to Iti. The first paragraph. Then meaning, then translation. Kasmachit Vane खर नखर नाम सिंह प्रतिवसति स्म स कदाचित इतस्ततः परिब्रह्मन् श्रुधार्थ न किंचित अपि आहारम अलभत तत सूर्यास्त समये एकां महतीं गुहां दृष्ट्वा स अचिन्त्यत नूनम् एतस्या गुहायां रात्रौ कोऽपि जीव आगच्छति, अतः अत्रैव निगूढो भूत्वा तिष्ठामि. Now listen to the meaning. Kasmachit means in a certain, one means forest, prativasate means is was living or lived for past tense. Kadachit once, itastata means itah plus tatah, ita means here, tatah means there. Paribrahman means wandering. Shrudhartha suffered from hunger. Kinchit api, even a little. Ahara means food. Na alabat did not get. Tatah then. Mahatim big. Guham cave. Drushtava means seen. Saha means that or he. Achintyat thought. Nunam means really or certainly. Etasya of this. Guhaya of cave or in cave. Ratro in the night. Koapi means anyone or someone. Jiva living being. Agachati is coming. Atah so atreva sandhi is there, atra plus eva. Here only nigudo means having hidden. Bhutva means past participle, having hidden. Nigudo means hidden. Tishtami means I stay. Now translation. Listen to the translation. A lion named Karanakar lived in a certain forest. Once suffered from hunger. He wandered here and there. Did not get even a little food. Then, having seen a big cave at the time of sunset, he thought, indeed, some animal come in this cave at night. So, having hidden, I stay here only. So, this is the translation of first paragraph. Now, the second paragraph from etasmin to yasyami. एतस्मिन् अनन्तरे गुहायाः स्वामी दधिपुच्छ नाम शृङ्गाल समागच्छत. स च यावत् पश्यति तावत् सिंहपदपद्धति गुहायां प्रविष्टा न च बहिरागतः अपश्यत्. शृङ्गाल अचिन्त्यत्, अहो विनिष्टोऽस्मि. नूनम् अस्मिन् बिले सिंहः अस्ति इति तर्कयामि. तत् किं कर्माणि? एवं विचिन्त्य दूरस्थ रवं कर्तुम् आरब्ध. भो बिल किं न स्मरसि यन्मया त्वया सह समयः कृतो अस्ति यत् यदा अहं बाह्यात् प्रत्यागमिष्यामि तदा तव माम आकरिष्यसि. यदि त्वं माम न आह्यससि तर्हि अहं द्वितीयं बिलं यास्यामि इति. नौ मीनिंग. एतस्मिन् अनन्तरे means in the meanwhile. एतस्मिन् अनन्तरे in the meanwhile. गुहायाः of cave. Swami means master or owner. Dadhipucha name of a Shrungal. You see how the creator has the creative idea. He has given the name Shrungal Dadhipucha. Means the tail of a Shrungal fox is of a color of a curd. कर्ड मीन्स दही का जैसा कलर वाली पूंछ वाला, तो दधी पूंछ. खर नखर सिंह का नाम. सो इन समागच्छत मीन्स केम और रिटर्न. सह च यावत पश्यति. सह च स मीन्स ही और दैट. च means and. यावत as long as. तावत till then. पश्यति means looks or see. सिंह पद पद्धति. सिंहस्य पद पद्धति means footprint of a lion. षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास. गुहायां प्रविष्टा. प्रविष्टा means enter or entering we can say. गुहायां in the cave. न च and not. बहिरागता came out. Bahi plus agata came out. Apashyat means so. Shrungal Achintyat. The fox Achintyat means thought. Aho, indeclibans. Okay. Oh, Vinishto Asmi. Sandhi is there. Vinishtaha plus Asmi. Means I am ruined. Because in the cave, lion is there. Because and he can't, he is not very sure. He can only guess that whether there is a lion in the cave. Because he only sees the footprint entering in the cave, not coming out. Here we have to learn the lesson that before doing any kind of work, we must observe, we must thought, and then only we should proceed for this. Here the fox is clever one. He saw what the thing is happen. The footprint of the lion is entering but not coming out. So he thought, oh my God, Vinishta Asmi, I am ruined, I am in trouble. Vinishta means ruined, Asmi means I am. Nunam, really or certainly, Asmin, bile, in this cave. Sinha, lion, asti, is, iti, this, tarkayami, I guess. Tarkayami means I guess. Tata kim karvani, tata means then, kim means what? Karvani means should do. Evam vichintya, thinking thus. Here vichintya, this is also past participle having a sambandhak bhut krudante. Thinking thus, evam means like this or thus, durastha, from far, because near, how we can say near, stand near, if lion suddenly come out then. So, durastha, from far, ravam means sound, kartum means to do, arabdha means begin or start. Bo means also one word used for addressing or calling out. Bo means O. Bila means cave. Kim means what? No smarasi, you do not remember. Yan maya, yat maya means that, maya, by me. Tvaya sah, with you. Samaya, condition or agreement. Kruto asti, have made. Yata, that. Yada aham, when I am. Bahyata, from outside. Pratyagamishyami, I will return. Tada, then. Tvam, you. Mam, me. Akarishyasi means will call out. Will call out. Yadi, if. Tvam, you. Mam, to me. Na ahyasyasi, do not call. Tahi, then. Aham, I. Dvitiyam bilam, the second cave or the another cave. Yasyami, I will go. Iti means this. Now the translation. Okay. In the meanwhile, the owner of the cave, a fox named Dadipucha came, and as long as he saw the footprint of a lion entering in the cave and he did not see it coming out, the fox thought, alas, I am ruined. Indeed, I guess there is a lion in this cave. So what should I do? Thus standing far, he started making sound. O cave, O cave. What? You are not remembering that a condition has been made with you that when I will return after going out, then you will call out to me. If you do not call out to me, then I shall go to the another cave. So this is the idea thought by fox before entering in the cave. You can see in the picture that a fox is there standing outside and he can see that the footprint of the lion entering in the cave. Now I will going to read the entire and then the translation of last stanzas or last all the things, last paragraph. अथ एतत् श्रुत्वा सिंह अचिन्त्यत् नूनम एषा गुहा स्वामिन सदा समाह्वानं करोति परंतु मदभयात् न किंचित वदति तदहम अस्य आह्वानं करोमि एवं स बिले प्रविश्य मे भोज्य भविष्यति इत्थं विचार्य सिंह सहसा शृङ्गालस्य आह्वानम् अकरोत्। सिंहस्य उच्चगर्जनस्य प्रतिध्वनिना सा गुहा उच्चे शृङ्गालम् आहयत्। अनेन अन्ये अपि पशवः भयभीताः अभवन्। शृङ्गालोऽपि ततः दूरपलायमान इमं पठत। अनागतं यः कुरुते स शोभते, स शोच्यते यो न करोत्यनागतं। वने अत्र संसस्थय समागता जराः, बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. Now meaning. अथ means now. एतत् श्रुत्वा, sandhi is there. एतत् plus श्रुत्वा. एतत् means this, श्रुत्वा means listen. Sinha means lion. Achintyant thought. Now lion thought. He is confused now that whether this cave really call out to his master. If the cave is really calling out to the master, and if he is not calling out now because of my fear, then definitely the fox will not enter. And if the fox will not enter, then I will not get any food to eat. So what to do? Better I am calling out to him. Okay. So what happened? You all are very clever one. You can easily understand. But here now get the meaning again. Achintyant means thought. Nunam means really. Esha means this. Guha means cave. Swamina to master. Sada always. Samanam means call. Karoti means make call or calling out. Parantu but mad bhayat, because of my fear. Mad means my mama. Bhayat fear. Na kinchit not or nothing. Vadati speaks nothing or does not calling out. We can say like this. Tata aham, sandhi there. Tada aham means tata aham. Then aham means I. Asya of this. Ahvanam means calling out. Karomi means I am calling out him or I am calling out this. Evam, like this. Saha, he, bile pravishya, entering in the cave, me, my, bhojya, food, bhavishyati, will be. Itatham vicharya, thinking this. Sinha, the lion, sahasa, suddenly, Shrungalasya of the fox, ahvanam akarot, called out. Past tense, called out. Sinhasya of the lion, ucha garjanasya, loud roaring, pratidhvanina, because of echo. Sa guha, that cave, uche, loudly. Shrungalam, to fox, ahiyata, calls. Anena, because of this. Anyapi, the other also. Pashva, animals. Bhayabhita, means became afraid or afraid because of fear. Bhayena bheta, trutiya tatpurush samas. Afraid because of fear. Abhavan became. Shrungalopi, the fox also. Tataha, tataha, from there. Duram, far. Palayamana, run away. Imam apatat, saying this to him. Imam meaning here given to you. Imam here only the meaning is there. Imam, anena, imam, to him. Ima, muscular pronoun. Imam is to him. Apatat means saying. Anagata, the things which is not come yet. Na agatam iti. ये तत्पुरुष समास है, नया तत्पुरुष समास. इधर देखो यहाँ पर तुम्हें कंपाउंड में दिया गया है न आगतम, अनागतम, नया तत्पुरुष समास. मीन्स आगे जिसमें नकार लगता है ना तो उसको नया तत्पुरुष समास कहते हैं. अनागतम, इसमें अन लगा है ना नकार का, इसलिए. यह मीन्स हु, कुरुते मीन्स डू और डस. शोभते, सह, here does only for third person singular. Sah means that शोभते means sign. Literary word sign, but means here lives happily. स सोच्यते, स means that. सोच्यते means grieved for. दुखी होते या तो परेशान होते या तो पश्चाताप करते हैं. यो यह न करोति अनागतम डज नॉट डू और डज नॉट प्रिपेयर फॉर व्हाट मे कम और व्हाट इज नॉट कम येट. कहने का तात्पर्य है कि कैलामिटी या तो मुसीबत आने से पहले हमें तैयार रहना चाहिए. फ्यूचर में कुछ भी हो सकता है. नो वन कैन प्रिडिक्ट फ्यूचर, बट वी कैन मेक अवर सेल्फ रेडी टू फाइट अगेंस्ट वॉट एवर द फ्यूचर में बी. ओके, सो हियर न करोति अनागतम इज हु इज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर द फ्यूचर और फॉर द व्हाट मे नॉट कम. वने अत्र, अत्र मीन्स हियर, वने मीन्स इन द फॉरेस्ट. संस्थस्य लिविंग, समागता आई हैव कम. जरा मीन्स ओल्ड और आई बिकम ओल्ड. बिलस्य वाणी न कदापि मे श्रुता. दैट आई told you. Now the translation of this, here listen to the translation. Now hearing this, the lion thought, certainly this cave always calls out his master, but does not speak anything because of my fear. Then I am calling out this. Thus he entering the cave will be my food. Thinking this, the lion suddenly called the fox. Because of the echo of the loud roaring of the lion that cave loudly calls, the fox loudly called the fox. Because of this, the other animals also became afraid because of the fear. Then the fox also running away, saying to him, the one who does before the thing or problem thing come, he signs. That means live happily. The one who does not do before the things come, that is grieved for. Staying here in this forest, old age has come. Never I heard the speech of a cave. So here the translation of lesson is over. Now let us see the exercise work. And as I told you, the word meaning, the word is a muscular noun or what type of noun it is, that also you have to learn. Sandhi you have to keep in the mind because they are usually asking from the this glossary section. Compound also will be asked from here, so be very careful. Now vikalpabhya samuchitam uttara chinutam, that you have to find out. Okay, कीदृश सिंह वने इत तत परिभ्रमण, you know the answer, you have to find out. That is श्रुधार्थ. Read the lesson, then find out. Then एक वाक्य संस्कृत भाषा में उत्तर, that I am going to send you in the form of PDF. Then घटना क्रमानुसार वाक्यानि लिखत, that you have to write. Here in this you have to write the sentence, which from this sixth sentence, which sentence will come first, which will be the second, which will be the third, according to the in the order of the story. You have to arrange and write in your CW. Then krudant prakara likhat. Krudant I have taught you in the 8th standard also. That there if the krudant is what? Kruta plus ant. The word, if the suffix is directly attached with the root form, then it forms krudant. Is whatever the krudant means, participles are there in English, likewise participles are here in Sanskrit also. Here today I am going to tell you about only one type of participle, that is Sambandhak Bhut Krudant, and another will be Hetvarth Bhut Krudant. In the 8th also I told, I have explained you, I taught you. मेरा लास्ट में ग्रामर में आया था. तो संबंधक भूत कृदंत कब बनता है कि देखने का कि यदि त्वा या तो य प्रीफिक्स लगता है, त्वा और य प्रीफिक्स इज देयर, देन वी विल आइडेंटिफाई इट एज ए संबंधक भूत कृदंत. अभी त्वा का एग्जाम्पल देखो, यहाँ पर पहला है दृष्टवा, अभी वहां पर त्वा नहीं है लेकिन स लगने के कारण त के बदले ट हो गया, तो दृष्टवा ये भी त्वा है. सो इट इज संबंधक भूत कृदंत. लाइकवाइज नाउ भूतवा यू कैन से इजीली त्वा इज देयर. बट इन द अनदर टू यू कैन सी विचिंत्य एंड प्रविश्य. तो इसमें पीछे य लगा है, तो आगे जो प्रीफिक्स है यू कैन सी हियर, चिंत के आगे मूल धातु क्या है, चिंत, तो उसके आगे प्रीफिक्स है वी. हियर मूल धातु क्या है, विश, तो उसके आगे प्रीफिक्स लगा है प्र. इसलिए अब इफ देयर इज अ प्रीफिक्स तो संबंधक भूत कृदंत में बनाने के लिए पीछे य लगाया जाता है, विचिंत्य, प्रविश्य. देन दीज आर ऑल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ संबंधक भूत कृदंत. मीन्स द कृदंत वर्ड और पार्टिसिपल विच हैविंग त्वा एंड य एज प्रीफिक्स इज कॉल्ड संबंधक भूत कृदंत. और जिसके पीछे तुम लगा है, कर्तुम, पातुम, रचयितुम, कथयितुम, पीछे तुम लगता है तो वो हेतुअर्थ कृदंत है. ओके, सो ये दृष्टवा संबंधक भूत कृदंत, भूतवा संबंधक भूत कृदंत, विचित्य संबंधक भूत कृदंत, कर्तुम हेतुअर्थ कृदंत, प्रविश्य संबंधक भूत कृदंत. अब इस म प्रयोग वो तो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट है, मैंने यहाँ पर आपको आंसर उसके भेजे हैं. इसमें करने का ये होता है, जो क्लास में आए उनको मैंने बराबर समझाया एग्जाम्पल के साथ, लेकिन आप लोग क्लास में आते नहीं तो उसमें मेरा कोई कसूर नहीं है. बट हियर आई एम ट्राई टू मेक एक्सप्लेन समवॉट अबाउट स्म प्रयोग. तो अचिंत्यत है, देखो अचिंत्यत, इट इज द फॉर्म ऑफ पास्ट टेंस. अभी संस्कृत में एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि हम वर्तमान काल का वर्ब फॉर्म रखकर उसको पास्ट टेंस में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. किस तरह से, स्म धातु लगाकर. तो ये अचिंत्यंत जो वर्ब फॉर्म है उसको मैं प्रेजेंट टेंस के वर्ब फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर डालूंगा. ओके, तो अचिंत्यंत के बदले मैं लिख डालूंगा चिंत्यति. देखो थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर स्ती इज देयर, तो वर्ड बनेगा चिंत्यति. अ निकल जाएगा बिकॉज अ इज द साइन ऑफ इम्परफेक्ट पास्ट टेंस, उसको निकाल देने का. उसके बदले क्या कर डाला मैंने, चिंत्यति. तो चिंत्यति के पीछे मैं स्म लगा देता हूं, चिंत्यति स्म. इसका मतलब हो गया पास्ट टेंस. दो द वर्ब फॉर्म इज इन प्रेजेंट टेंस चिंत्यति, लेकिन पीछे स्म लगा दिया तो वो पास्ट टेंस हो गया. बराबर. इन द सेम वे समझ प्रकार भी आपको टेक्स्ट बुक में से देखकर लिख लेने के. मातृभाषा उत्तराणी, that you have to write down by yourself by the from the try to read the lesson, understand it, read the translation and then write the answer. And translation also, because entire lesson translation I am giving, so no need to give, I am not going to send the answer of this translation in the PDF. Exercise 9 answer I will send. Okay, so what type of answer you will get in the PDF, that is of exercise 9, then 6, 5, 4, then 2. Okay, these are the answer I will going to send you in the, these are the exercise answer I will going to send you the PDF. Other you have to write down by yourself. Dear students, all the things should be there in your book, that is your duty. Okay, and if you are getting any kind of doubt you may ask me, you are welcome in the school. Okay, now here we are going to stop. Today we have completed entire full lesson chapter number 18. I hope you will write down in your book. Then when we will meet for the next time, we will go with the chapter number 19. Till the time, goodbye. Thank you very much.